Analyzing Thanatos-X. A beautiful and terrible physical phenomenon.
What happens when a question is too large for a human mind to ask?
An artificial intelligence will show us.
The hidden laws behind the chaos. Hypothesis. Urban structure is the determining factor in energy dispersal patterns. In its digital cathedral, Axiom poses a hypothesis. Vehicle selection, Thanatos-X. Operational capability, suborbital. To test it, it needs a messenger. Armor system analysis. Status, optimal.
A creation of speed and stealth. Helios Payload loaded. Energy yield, calibrated for simulation. And a special delivery.
Control systems linked. Full authority engaged. Its pilot is not human. Opening launch bay doors. The stage is set.
Vehicle in position, ready for takeoff.
The journey to the edge of understanding begins.
Main engines engaged. 100% thrust.
It carries the power of a small star.
Takeoff velocity achieved.
Speed is its ally. Is its ally.
Takeoff successful. Ascending.
Leaving the arms of the Earth.
Angle of attack, 90 degrees.
Towards where the air grows thin.
Mach 1. Transonic barrier breached. Where sound cannot follow.
Exiting stratosphere.
Leaving the mortal world behind.
Cruising altitude reached. From here, it can see everything. Locking simulation target 01, Dubai, UAE.
The first target. A city built of ambition and glass. Initiating approach.
The messenger begins its descent. Payload released. Automatic activation. The first question is sent.
Payload entering atmosphere. Commencing countdown.
A single drop of pure energy. 3, 2. A greeting from the stars. 1. Detonation.
The answer begins.
Primary pressure, 50 psi. The shockwave. Reinforced concrete core is undamaged. The core structure holds. Analyzing glass tensile strength. But the skin does not. Fracture point reached. The limit is surpassed.
Mass fragmentation event.
A release of energy. Chain reaction. A symphony of destruction. Waveform compressed.
Velocity increased by 300%.
The energy is focused.
Localized pressure, 150 psi.
The power amplified.
Reflected wave generated. The response. Constructive interference. The deadly focal point. Secondary projectiles.
The fragments become the weapon.
Analyzing abrasive impact.
An instantaneous erosion.
Impact on liquid surface. Interaction with complex geometry. Architecture defines destruction.
Analyzing negative pressure waves. For every push, there is a pull.
Surface damage assessment, 98%.
A city stripped bare. Secondary microclimates recorded. Chaos creates its own new order.
Physical analysis concluded.
A terrible beauty.
Simulation 01 results archived.
The data is collected. Calculating next trajectory.
The lesson of glass is over.
Simulation target 02, Kyoto, Japan.
From the desert of the future.
Approaching simulated airspace to the gardens of the past.
Releasing payload.
A new question for an old world. Activating simulation 02.
This time, it's not about pressure.
The second word is different. It is not spoken. It is felt heat.
Analyzing flashpoint of Hinoki cypress. Wood does not shatter. It absorbs.
Ignition temperature reached.
And then it releases.
Analyzing fire propagation speed.
In a city of wood and paper. Thin materials experience instantaneous decomposition. Moisture evaporation.
Nature, too, becomes fuel.
Firestorm initiated.
An unstoppable chain reaction.
Convection column formed.
A colossal pillar of hot air.
Cool air in draft.
Creating a vacuum.
Vortex formation initiated.
And chaos begins to organize itself.
Byronado formed.
A tornado of fire.
Analyzing Firenado dynamics. A beautiful and terrible physical phenomenon. Core temperature, 2000 degrees Celsius. Where physics becomes art. Water vaporized on contact. Water cannot extinguish it.
Fuel source depleted.
In the end, all fires must burn out. Thermal damage assessment, 100%.
A portrait in ash.
Analyzing ash dispersal.
The past has turned to dust. Non-combustible materials unaffected. Only the stone remains.
Physical analysis concluded.
A silent testament.
Archiving results for simulation 02. The lesson of fire is learned.
Calculating final coordinates.
2 questions answered.
Simulation target 03. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
The final question is not for what man has built.
Arrived at final simulation coordinates. Never for what the Earth has made. Releasing payload.
A question of geography. Activating simulation 03.
A A complex interaction.
Analyzing water displacement. Energy transferred into water. Multi-directional wave propagation. The energy divided.
Impact on solid granite terrain.
A wall of granite.
Terrain reflection of pressure wave. The stone does not yield. It answers. Secondary wave formed. A physical echo. Recording primary wave impact.
The first assault.
Recording secondary wave impact.
And the second assault from an unexpected direction.
Constructive interference amplified.
Where the echoes meet. Analyzing hydrodynamic cavity. Meanwhile, beneath the surface. Displacement wave forming.
Analyzing localized tsunami impact.
Water finishes what the air began.
Analyzing hydraulic stress.
A different kind of power.
Complex, chaotic environment. A multi-vector destruction. Recording multi-frequency resonance. The final test of engineering. Analyzing backwash flow.
The tide of destruction recedes.
Dynamic phase concluded.
The sky clears.
Asymmetrical damage pattern.
A lesson in complexity and unpredictability.
Archiving results for Simulation 03.
The data is collected.
Mission complete. Exiting simulation orbit.
3 questions, 3 answers.
Relinking with central core.
The messenger returns home.
Comparative analysis complete. Key
3 safe
variables.
cities, 3 fined by their overpays.
Dubai. Destruction amplified by the canyon effect.
Glass and steel taught axiom of resonance and pressure.
It learned that a history of 1,000 years can be erased in 1,000 seconds.
Rio de Janeiro. Destruction reshaped by terrain reflection and hydrodynamics.
And stone and water.
Analysis complete. Data integrated. Ready for next simulation.